Hey y'all, so today let's take a look at this pressure washer that the brand sent over to us and let us try out. So thanks to them for partnering with us. But this thing has honestly been a game changer for us for all of our outdoor cleaning. Putting it together was a breeze. My 12-year-old helped me with no problems. It does run on a 1900-watt motor, and you can crank it all the way up to about 4,000 psi at 2 gallons per minute. What we really like is that we can actually adjust the pressure instead of blasting full power all the time. So if we're washing the car, we can go a little bit lighter, and then if we're tackling like the driveway or the patio, we can just dial it up and it cuts through all of that built up grime that we have. The hose is plenty long. It's 33 feet long, which is great because we don't have to drag the whole unit around constantly. The hose can reach relatively where we need to go. It does come on a reel, so once we're done, we can just wind it back up neatly instead of having a tangled mess laying all around the garage or the carport. The build is actually really nice too. The lance is stainless steel with brass fittings, so it feels really solid compared to the plastic ones that we've had before. We have really gone through our fair share of pressure washers, but we don't have to worry about this one cracking if we're using the higher pressure because of the way it's built. It does come with 4 quick connect nozzles, so we can swap them out depending on what we're doing. Like we can use a narrow stream for blasting tough spots or a wide spray for bigger areas. It does come with a foam cannon too, which is a bonus. You can use that for the car and it can make it way easier to soap everything up before rinsing it off. What we really like is that everything has a spot to go when we're done using it. So we don't have to have an extra container or box to keep all the spare parts in. Everything has a spot to go within the unit. The nozzles snap into little holders on the back. The foam cannon has its own little hook. Even the spray gun and power cord tuck away neatly. It's just a solid, powerful pressure washer that keeps things tidy and does the job without any fuss. We love it. I hope you love it too, and I hope this video helps.